Hi everyone, good morning. This is Jay. In this video now we are going to discuss about how to add totals. Simple as that. So what is a total? The question comes in, right? It's not about like the regular sum value, because like if it is a sum then we get an overall number. But now what we wanted to have is, this is the year of ship date and this is the segment in respected in columns. Now what we wanted to have is, what is the overall quantities in consumer scenario and corporate segment and home office segment, and parallelly to understand in 2014 what is an overall sales, what is an overall sales for 15, 16, 17, this way. Okay. It's just adding a subtotals, simple as that. Let's do that here. To do it, simple as that, go to your analysis tab, yeah, totals. Within totals you wanted to choose the right option that you wanted to have. Let's take show row grand total, which means that it will be reproducing you the results in a way of a row level. Simple as that. I click that, look at it here, grand total comes in a way of, in 2014 7,000 quantities has been sold, and then similarly 18 151, similarly this is a row level property. Now what I'm going for here, totals, and then I'm producing show column grand totals. The second one, look at it here, in consumer segment for all the 5 years the totals produced is 1951 521. It's basically, look at it here, consumer grand total column level property comes in. We have already seen row level property and now it's column level property. Now think of it, 37,873 is basically the overall grand value of quantity in this last 5 years. What are the data that we have for? Simple as that. So we make sure that that is what right scenario. I just take quantity and then I drop it somewhere, 37,873. The same number is been represented here with this property. Simple as that. This is an advantage of using analysis and then the totals. Okay, now look at it here, a row total to left, column total to top. Either you want to get the column total in left, maybe like in top or bottom, or row total in a left or right. By default it goes to right and bottom. Now if you wanted to change it, you can take it to a left and then a top of it. Simple as that. Even that is sometimes the user demands it, so you can look for it. And then now what I'm doing is, yeah, this is what an idea is. On top of it, what I'm adding is a table property, add table calculation. Simple as that. If I click that, it produces me what is the one that we wanted to have. If you can give a, what is that, percentage difference, percentage from, percentage total, rank, moving calculation, everything, whatever that we wanted to do, we can do it here. A simple table calculation. Let me plot it for a difference from table across, table down. No, I don't want a table across. I would go for a table down. This should work, I guess. In the year one-on-one, how they have performed it here. Look at it here. In from calculating the 2014 and 2015, 2015 performed better than 2014 by 309 quantities across. Simple as that. If that is the case, in 2018 they made a huge loss altogether. Look at it, the difference. Maybe now we can compare the raw data. I guess I'm going back here. Yep, look at it, the raw data here. From 2014 to 2015, yeah, they made a profit. 15, 16 they made a profit, but unfortunately what happens here is that in 17, maybe like in 18, we made a huge loss, because like 6,000 to 107, 3,000 to 35. So because of the data of 2018 is improper, so that we get that way. But ideally this is how we can calculate your table calculations in Tableau. Simple as that. Yeah, thank you. That's for video. See you in the next video.